TusQ-DX. What are uses of TusQ-DX Liquid? TusQ-DX is a combination medicine used in the treatment of dry cough. A dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, is a cough where no mucus is produced. This is very irritating, usually associated with a tickly throat, and may be caused due to cold flu, allergies, or throat irritants. TusQ-DX relieves allergic symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and throat irritation. TusQ-DX also provides relief from congestion and stuffiness in the nose.